Let me show you how you can set up a password on Samsung Galaxy S25. So first of all, we need to jump to settings. Then in these settings, scroll down until you find lock screen and AOD, and then go to screen lock and biometrics. And here we can choose the type of password that we want to set up. So we can choose pin code, password, or pattern. In my case, I'm gonna choose pattern. Then we can draw the pattern that we wish to set up. There we go, press continue. Once again, draw the same pattern or enter the same password and press confirm. After that, you will see lock screen notifications and you can manage them immediately over here. Once you are done, simply press done at the bottom. And that is all. Now the password has been set up. If you try to go to your phone, if you try to unlock it, then you will need to enter the password. And that is it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel and see you in my next videos. Bye.